Friends, hello everyone and welcome to our channel. In this video, I will also show you how you can rejoin any WhatsApp group after leaving it. Please friends, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put your likes under this video and write your comments. And let us get started with you friends. First of all, let's open the WhatsApp app. After that, go to the chat section at the bottom, and here you can select the groups option. Choose the group that you want, open it. And then let's say if you want to leave it, leave the group. You have to click on the name of the group at the top. Scroll down to the bottom and select Quit Group here. Confirm your action. And as you can see, there's this orange notification at the top that you are no longer a member of this group. And if you go back to the conversation, you can also see a little reminder at the bottom that you can no longer post to this group, nor can you view the posts of other members of the group. What to do if you leave a group but after a while you realize that you would like to join it? Or if you did it by accident? Unfortunately, there is no function so direct in WhatsApp to do it by pressing two buttons. For this, friends, you will need to write directly to the administrator of this group to join you back. To do this, open the group from which you have left. Also, at the very top, click on its name, scroll down. And here you will see the members section. I don't have any, unfortunately, because I didn't have any people in the group. But if there were more than 2 people in the group, you will see the list of members. And the very first one will be the group administrator. You will need to click on it. And that will open up a conversation like this. And you just need to click on the message line and ask the person to return you to the group. This is the way you will be able to rejoin the WhatsApp group even after leaving the group. I hope this video was helpful to you. Don't forget to put likes under the video, write your comments, and also subscribe to the channel. See you soon.